Hi, welcome back. It's Alan Lenzicki Internet. This is AKL Legal, and I want to share a quick video about one of the components of our practice is helping out truck drivers. So when we help out truck drivers, people that are with a CDL and drive a big rig for a living, there's different types of things that can happen to them. And one thing that they regularly have to do is weigh, right? You'll see these scales on the side of the road, and the trucks are directed to weigh. Now, this week I had a client I was helping out with the case who was 20,000 pounds over when he was weighed. And this is a bad thing, okay? 20,000 pounds over, the fine is enormous. The statutory fine there was $7,610. So $7,600 is what he was on the hook for. Now, we negotiate these cases with the state's attorney. In this particular case, it was the Illinois State Police that was the weighing jurisdiction, and they had ruled that he was 20,000 pounds over and issued these citations. In the old days, 5, 8 years ago, when we negotiated these cases, one of the rules of thumb was that the state's attorneys would agree normally to reduce it by about a third. Okay, this young state's attorney wanted to come out shooting at 20%, and we negotiated back and forth until we settled on a quarter off as part of the negotiation to plea bargain this case away. And we saved him a tremendous amount of money. His fine went from $7,610 to $5,707.50. So we saved him over almost $2,000 with that quarter off. Still a tremendously expensive and unfortunate ticket, but we were able to kind of manage the damage a little bit. We also got him time to pay the money of a month, or not a month, a year to pay the money, the $5,700. So the nice thing about this, I can't really say there is much of a nice thing about a CDL overweight ticket, except to say at least it's not a moving violation. Okay, so it doesn't count as a serious or even a non-serious violation on somebody's CDL, and so it can't contribute to the cancellation or suspension of somebody's CDL license. But it does represent a hideous expense. Anyway, thanks a lot for watching. I'm Alan Lenzicki with AKL Legal. Take care.